So today Apple launched the new Mac Studio, and you might have been thinking, what is the easiest way to run a local large language model on this machine? Or for that matter, any other Apple Silicon Mac. And according to NS Hipster, the solution is Ollama. And it says right here, Ollama is the easiest way to run a large language model on your Mac. And then goes on for several pages how to install Ollama. Now, Ollama is a solid choice. There's nothing wrong with Ollama. If you're using it and you're happy, it's awesome. It's good. But a lot of people have asked me, is there an easier way, even easier than Ollama, to run a small server for your local network? And there is, and I want to share that with you. So search for Pico in the Apple App Store, or for that matter, search for LLM, that works as well. And you'll find here Pico AI Home Lab. And Pico AI Home Lab is a local AI server for LLMs that's compatible with both Ollama and with OpenAI. And the only thing you have to do is click install here. Now, well, I've already have it installed, so I'm just going to click open. And the first thing you see is a kind of setup wizard where it suggests a couple of models that are a perfect fit for your machine. But if you don't want to have any of these, there are hundreds of models available on Hugging Face. Just click download and you can choose whatever model you want. For us, let's go with Llama. That's a little bit smaller. And I click download, and that's all there's to it. As you can see here, there's a progress bar. It's downloading right now. Within like a minute or so, we'll have like our own LLM running on our machine. Now, Pico AI Home Lab is a server, and that means you need a client, a chat app, to talk to it. Basically, you can use any chat client that supports Ollama or supports OpenAI. A very good one is Bolt. But there's also Apollo, there's Open Web UI, there are so many. And if you don't want to install any of these, Pico even comes with a included web app. That's free and it works perfectly. So right now the model has been downloaded. So Pico tells me that the way to interact with Pico is through the menu bar. So that's right here. So there's settings, you can change if you want to, you don't even have to, and you can open the chat client right from here, or if you finish setup, it will open right here. And as you can see, it's pretty much standard. The model we just downloaded is selected, and I can say something like, tell me a joke. And the model will load, and there we are. And this is the easiest, fastest way that I know to run any modern LLM on your Apple Silicon Mac.